Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2016 Toyota Rav4 and we're going to do the chrome delete for the lower lip for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the chrome panel, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we just used the gloss black material in order to black out the entire panel. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before we start with the installation for the lower panel, we need to make sure we prep it. So you could use either water or baby shampoo, or you can use alcohol mixed with water. So whatever you have available in order to help just remove any contaminants that the panel may have. So once you have the solution, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel and start removing any contaminants that the panel may have. And then once you're done prepping the panel, make sure that the whole entire piece of the chrome is dry. That way the adhesive is able to tack down to the panel. So when it comes to installing the film to the panel, it is a two-piece installation. So one piece covers the bottom section, and then there's another piece that covers this front end. So wherever you start, just make sure you align it onto the edge here. So make sure you align it on the bottom edge. That way it covers the panel, and then the rest should just follow through until you reach to the other end. So once you place the film, all you need to do is grab your squeegee and start tacking down the entire film. Make sure to remove all the air that's trapped underneath the panel. And then once you're done tacking down the film, the last thing to do is to seal the top edge, and then we can move on to installing the top piece. Okay, so now we're moving on to the top piece. So with this one, just align it where you left off. Make sure you're covering the chrome, and then follow the rest of the design on the top. Lay it on top. Once we finish placing the film onto the panel, then we can use our squeegee to tack everything down. Remove all of the air, and then on the edges, apply heat and seal all around, and then we should be good. So the last thing to do once you finish with the installation for the lower lip is to post heat the entire lower section. So all you need is your heat gun, and just apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. Take your time when you're doing this, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the lower lip chrome delete installation for the 2016 Toyota Rav4. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.